scared to get. Watch how scared to get. CPS. CPS. CPS.
CPS.
CPS.
Hey, Kane. Hold on, Kane.
CPS. What's going on? I don't got shit on.
Okay.
What's going on here?
No, it's not happening.
What's going on here?
Nothing happened.
All right, expect this shit.
Yeah.
You don't got nobody hiding this shit?
There's nobody in here, bro. Nobody in here.
Who that? Who the fuck is that?
Where?
Who's that right there?
Where?
Right there.
Nigga, where you?
Right there.
There's nobody here. I don't see nobody.
Okay.
No.
Who you? What you got going on right here? What's this? All right. What you got in that motherfucker? What do you got in the fucking shit, nigga? Let me see.
I'm not gonna be.
Let me see.
Somebody on scissor.
Am I
Worry
wrong?
about me.
Am I wrong? Stay on God.
I can strike me down and where my mother.
If y'all want me
See
to
no
do
more?
it right now,
Say no more.
everybody's
Say no more.
being W.
What y'all got going on, bro? What? It's not me, bro. On God, bro. Lil cenat isn't here. It wasn't me. On God, I didn't put nothing towards this shit, bro. The fuck? You bluffing.
I'm bluffing.
Nigga, that's just a... Oh my God, dude. He just burned my fucking kite mafia rug, bro. Did he just burn my kite mafia rug, bro? Did he just burn my... Did you just burn my fucking Kai Mafia rug, bruh? Did you just... Did this nigga just burn? Did he just burn my Kai Mafia rug? He just burned my fucking Kai Mafia fucking... Is you fucking insane? Watch this, I see him. Watch as soon as he throw it. I see you! Oh, shit! Fuck! Bro, okay, it's my last time. Look. Public service announcement, bro. Okay. Public service announcement, chat. Can y'all hear me? Say one if you can hear me. Say one. Say one if you can hear me, bro. Look. This is my last time. Did it cut off once at all? Did this shit cut off once at all? This is my last time, bro. Do not fuck with my room. My room has been hit. Don't fuck with my room, bro. My room has been compromised. I'm the only nigga that got shit exploded in the room. The fuck is wrong with niggas, bro? Listen to me, bro. Everybody shut the fuck up and relax, nigga. Chill out. No, I'm not letting the... No. I'm way mature than this. I'm mature than this, bro. I'm never gonna let the chat win the best of me talking about some get back. I'm never gonna let the check get the best of me, bro. Call me pussy. I said, on God, I would. Run the clip back. I said, on God, I would. I didn't say I'm gonna do it, but I said I would. Okay? Listen. Call me pussy all you want. I would never let the chat get the best of me. You understand me? And that's facts. So, my mafia rug is burnt. I better not hear or see no other firework in this house. Listen. What you got going on, bro?
Chris sent me here.
Hey, shut the fuck up, boy! Shut your ass up. Hold on, get him in the eye. Wait. Yeah! Hey! We got one! We got one! Oh, shit! Hey, close the doors. Oh, shit. Wait, headphones. Oh, shit. Hold this motherfucker. Hold that motherfucker, gang. Hold on, ready? Yeah, get his ass. Come on. Get up. Come on. Damn. Damn. Oh, my God. Come on. No! Don't you ever fucking...
Oh, Chris next door paid me $500 to do it.
Who?
Chris next door.
Hey, wait.
Chris next door paid me to do this.
No, I can vouch for
No.
it.
He paid me.
I'm a rat.
He paid me.
You a what?
I promise.
I ain't paid for this.
Nigga, I don't jack rats, nigga.
But you the only rat I jack. I don't jack rats, but you the only rat I jack, though. No. Wait, hold on. Listen to me, bro.
I told you not to do it, bro.
Where you from? Newark? Listen to me. Bro, don't ever fuck with niggas ever again. I don't know who the fuck you think you are, bro.
Chris sent me.
So if I get Chris right now, he gonna say it.
He's not gonna say it because he.
Yo, get Chris. Tell him it's an emergency. You gotta come down here now. Get this nigga, bro. This pussy ass boy. Look at him cry. Yeah. Yo, get close to his face. Get this one. Yeah.
Hey, get this. What size you is, little nigga?
Oh! We need that! Give me this shit too.
Ain't my little dad. Come on.
Give me this pants too, nigga. Fuck, nigga.
Hold on.
Fuck wrong with this nigga, chat?
Why do you always strip niggas, bro?
Nah, we won't embarrass niggas. Now sit down.
But hold on. Why y'all
Hold that shit up to his face.
One.
Now come over here. No? Come over here, bro. Come over here. Yeah. Wear that shit. Yeah. Look at the pose. Posing that shit. Yeah.
Hey, let me go raw them, nigga. Let me go
Yeah.
Let me put them on, nigga.
No, stay right there.
So be prepared to go to
Don't
the
worry
doctor.
about it.
Hey. Hey, bro. Shut your bitch ass up, nigga. Fuck is you talking about? Hey, Catherine.
Wait till Chris get here.
Hold on. Oh.
So we could.
Wait, hold on.
Yo.
Wait, yo. Wait.
No.
Damn. Okay, hold on. Wait. Oh, Ruby Rose is joining live. Oh, yeah, get this live. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Stupid.
Damn. Like what? Like damn. Oh. So stop playing with me, word. So stop playing, word. Where that motherfucker? Yeah.
Y'all getting the wrong person.
Oh. Who getting the wrong person? You
Wait. Davis was in on
see what the fuck going on? Big X shit, nigga.
Davis was in on it too.
What?
Yup. It was Chris and Davis.
He just made it.
Now he's just making that shit up.
No, look.
Hey, light this nigga up, dog. Light this nigga up.
Light him up.
Light this nigga up.
Ain't no need for that, brother.
You're not gonna
Ain't
do
no
it.
need.
Why is he? It's like.
I light him up. I think we've all had enough.
Light that nigga
Nah,
up.
matter of fact,
Matter of fact,
where can we let this nigga out at?
Right here.
In
Nah.
the backyard.
Nah, get him to the pool. I'm gonna just. Yeah.
I can't even swim
Nah,
for
get that
it.
nigga to the pool.
I can't even
Get to the
swim.
fucking pool, nigga. fuck this nigga talking about?
Hey, get your ass up.
Hey, get your ass up, homie. Drown him. Drown that nigga. Drag that nigga, yeah. Don't stop resisting. Stop resisting. Get that nigga upstairs to the pool. Get him. Yeah, come on. Some more shit. Get him. Hold that nigga. Get him to the pool. Get him to the pool. That's what we do. Hey, big action, nigga. What the fuck going on, nigga? Niggas, get on that, you heard? What the fuck we do, nigga? Big AMP shit, nigga. Yo, open that shit, nigga.
Yeah.
Get that nigga in there, nigga. Get that nigga in there. Now you gonna swim today? Get that nigga in there, nigga. Get that nigga. Oh shit. Don't run. Oh yeah. Yeah, get that nigga in there. Get that nigga in there. He not a fish. Get that nigga in there. Stupid.
AMP shit.
Light this motherfucker. Light it. Light this bitch.
Don't throw it in the garden.
Wait, but like the end, nigga. The end.
Hurry up. Bro.
Come on, bro. What are you doing?
Do not throw it towards Agent's garden.
He's not even doing that. Oh.
Don't leave me!
Oh. That shit went inside the car. AJ about to wake up. AJ about to wake up. Oh shit. AJ about to wake up. Oh shit. Nah, I'm. Oh, okay. Let's go, my nigga. Nah, come on. Give me one of us couple. Give me a couple. I just want like, give me like 3. Give me a roll.
A whole roll shot.
You won't give me 3?
Nigga. You know how much these go for in the hood, nigga?
Oh shit. You right. You just bought these?
Yeah.
Nah, just give me a roll, gang. I'll buy you another one. Nah, I won't buy you another one, but thank you. All right. My fault, gang.
You gonna buy me another one?
Yeah, I got you, gang. Well, I gotta restock the thing anyway, so when I do restock, I'm gonna look out for you. I'm gonna call you. Everything you want on me, all right? Yeah, bro. All right. Safety, you all right? Yeah. You sneaky little doggy! You sneaky little doggy, you! Sneaky little doggy. I just broke my motherfucking... Bro! What the fuck? Dude! No fucking way! I don't use these, by the way. Yo, all the ladies, I don't use these, bro. Niggas do not use these, all right? Chill. Niggas is not using this. All right. Cabinet is filthy. No. Y'all know, bro, stop acting like y'all niggas is not from the hood. And if you're not, you can't relate to this.